Hello, good day. In this video, I will showcase how you can use bard.google.com, that is ChatGPT version from Google, to use with Gmail or Google Docs. First, you have to go to the URL, that is bard.google.com. Once you are on this URL, go into the search bar or the prompt and type anything. Let's say, tell me something about Google. Wait for the results to show up. Once the results are presented on the screen, you can scroll down and click on this export response. Once you click on the export, you will have the option to choose between Google Docs and Gmail. Select Google Docs for Google Docs and it will show an open document option. Once you click on it, you can find the entire document and you can start working on it. And if you want to edit it, you can edit the document according to your requirements and take a printout. There you go. Bingo. Have a good day. Also, you can have the export done to the Gmail for sending the emails. Click on the export Gmail option. Option will appear. After the prompt, your email has been constructed. Thank you. Good day. Bye bye.